Want some nuts? What, you don't want any? Come on, don't get mad. The other nuts are coming today. I know, there's no cashews, there's no macadamias, but there's other stuff in there. Go ahead, give it a try. Your other nuts are coming today, I promise. See, I told you you'd find something. Alright. Maybe not. You want more? And as soon as the other nuts come, I will mix them in and I will give them to you. Okay, that's it. We're done. One more? Oh, you are in so much trouble. I cannot believe you just knocked that out of my hand. Oh, you are in big trouble. And you pooped. Oh, I gotta clean up this mess now.